kids, let's have some fun! A magical jungle for everyone! Let's learn A to Z animal names in a fun jungle